Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Usually when I turn this camera on, we are packing up the Fortuner, hitching the caravan and heading somewhere beautiful in South Africa. But somehow today we're on a different adventure. I'm sitting here in the car with my wife at the hospital because our second baby is officially being born. My mind is spinning and my emotions are absolutely all over the place. On the one hand, I'm feeling a massive wave of pure excitement to meet our new little one. But on the other hand, I'm being completely honest, there's a lot of nerves and a bit of stress running through me as we head closer to the hospital ward. It's a life-changing day, and I wanted to turn the camera on for a real and raw moment to bring you along for the ride. Before the beautiful chaos of becoming a family of 4 completely takes over, I wanted to take a minute to say a massive, heartfelt thank you to every single person who supported this channel. Whether you have been with us from the very first video, watching our shorts, or constantly interact in the community section, your encouragement means the world to our family. You guys aren't just subscribers to us. Over the last few months, this community has grown into an extension of our own family. Views and your loyalty literally supports us. And as our family grows today, thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, we are grateful. Thank you. Before the beautiful chaos of becoming a family of 4 completely takes over, I wanted to take a minute to say a massive, heartfelt thank you to every single person who supported this channel. Whether you have been with us from the very first video, watching our shorts, or constantly interact in the community section, your encouragement means the world to our family. You guys aren't just subscribers to us. Over the last few months, this community has grown into an extension of our own family. Let's talk a little bit about what happens next for this channel. As any parent watching this knows, bringing a newborn home shifts your life completely into survival mode for a little while. Absolute main priority over the next few weeks is to be there 100% for my wife, for our toddler, and our new one being born. Because of that, the pace is going to slow down just a little bit. We won't be heading out for long caravan trips or heading into the bush for the next few weeks or months maybe, while we find our rhythm. But I want to assure you, the channel is not stopping. We are just adapting. I know from your feedback that a massive highlight for so many of you is the food that we do. Whether it is a wood fire braai, a classic potjie, or making something fun at camp. You guys love the culinary side of the camping experience. So while I'm stuck at home, running on zero sleep, I want to bring the exact bushveld energy right into our backyards and our home kitchen to test out some incredible recipes. But I don't want to limit it just to cooking. Since I'm going to be closer to home, I want to make sure I'm creating content that you genuinely want to see. And that is exactly where I need your help today. I want you to be my co-creators. For the next month or few months, the floor is completely open. And I want to hear all your ideas. Right now, pause the video, head down to the comment section and let me know what you want to see next. Do you want camp cooking? What recipes should we tackle? Do you want to see some home braais ideas? Some gear reviews, some packing guides, or a look at how we prep and plan our caravan trips from home? Or do you have an entirely different creative idea for this channel? Tell me what you need and I'll build it. I'm going to be reading every single comment while rocking our newborn to sleep at 3 AM. So please flood the floor section below. We are at the hospital, we are past the gates and we are ready to check in. So I need to get ready, grab the bags and go support my wife and step into the next chapter of our lives. Thank you all again for your incredible patience, your love and your loyalty to this channel. wish us luck today. The next time you see me, I'm probably going to have a few bags under my eyes, but a whole lot of joy in my heart. Until the next one, keep those fires burning, and I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you.